Tension sensors ensure perfect flatness as the glossy black material is scanned for defects, a critical step in aerospace production.
The Process A materials are fully segregated and verified.
Confirmed. FIFO inventory checks out on the manifest.
Integrates. Utilizing a multi-angle layup schedule, the robotic system precisely stacks the composite plies.
We have green status across all sensors for the transfer.
Acknowledged. Proceed with debulking sequence.
Process A initiation parameters confirmed.
All thermocouples reading within tolerance.
The multi-axis water jet system focuses an ultra-high pressure stream onto the composite stator vane, trimming the excess.
Purple blur. During Process A, the microscope reveals the flawless resin matrix. The engineer digitally compares the texture.
RFID scan complete on Tray 7.
Confirmed. Alignment sequence initiated.
The robotic welder activates Process A, permanently locking the mechanism. A burst of inert gas seals
The alignment on jig 1 is holding steady at 99.8%.
Good. The synchronization remains perfect.
The automated polishing achieves a flawless finish. We then use the roughness meter to ensure the critical stealth coating remains absolutely perfect.
The stator vane ring is precisely guided into the F-35B's lift fan module, secured by automated wrenches to exact specifications.
Stator vane assembly looks good. Torque readings confirmed on the mobile workstation.
Digital twins synchronized. Process A is complete.
Check the thermal readings on the trailing edge.
Looks good, right within tolerance. We are clear for transfer.
The phased array sensor checks for microscopic voids in the composite. This critical integrity check confirms a perfect structural interface. Final verification successful. Vibration levels are negligible. The assembly meets all requirements.
Confirmed concentricity at 99.8%.
Proceed with securing sequence, engaging automated torque tools.
Approaching the systems bay now. Keep it steady on the center line.
Reading you. Trajectory holding green.
Sequence initiated. Fan engagement in 3, 2, 1.
Monitoring bearing health. Pitch actuation looks stable across the board.
Apply the penetrant to the linkages. We'll let it dwell.
All right, wiping the excess now. Switching to UV. Looks solid.
Manifest confirmed. Final destination, Italy.
The load is locked in position. Start securing the tie-downs. Confirm green status on all locks.
The environmental logs are clear. No excessive temperature spikes or shock during transit. We are good to proceed with assembly.
Clear on the left side.
Adjusting the servo by 2 millimeters.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with locking sequence.
Clearances look good. No damage noted on the blades.
Confirmed. Data logs match the visual inspection.
All right, sign here for the final assembly conclusion.
Covers removed, sir.
Roger that. Finalizing system checks.
The F-35B demonstrates a flawless, stable hover, showcasing the precision achieved during manufacturing.
Final checks complete. Green deck.
Cleared for takeoff. Have a safe flight.